Good morning from Knott's Berry Farm. Today, it's a quiet day here at Knott's Berry Farm. Shouldn't be too busy, but today I'm going to be ranking all the coasters from my least favorite to my very favorite. Again, these rankings are my opinion. You might have a different opinion, but let's see where we go. Let's see what the first coaster is. Let's do it. All right, guys, first ride, number 8. Here at Knott's Berry Farm on my ranking list is Pony Express, made by Zimperla and opened up in 2008. The reason why this ranking is so low on this, it's just not my favorite. There's nothing to it. It's boring. It's uncomfortable. To be honest, this is probably my least favorite coaster that I've ever been on, to be real. So let's take a ride on it, though. Let's do it. Woo! The Pony Express on my way to number 7. We'll see what that is, but again, Pony Express just don't like it. Not my favorite ride at all. It's boring. Like I said, it's uncomfortable. Again, they should replace that and put something better for sure. Actually be better if there was a bathroom over there. I mean, that's how I feel about it. But let's head on to number 7. Let's see what it is. Alright guys, we made it over to our number 7 coaster, and that is Jaguar. This one is made by Zier, opened up in 1995. Again, not one of my favorites, but I still like it better than Pony Express 1,000,000%. A little janky, but always fun. Love this ride. So, let's do it. The Jaguar. It was running slow, usually does, but a little bit slower than usual. Nah, not my favorite, like I said. So we're gonna head over to our number 6 coaster, but before that, I think I'm gonna grab something to eat first. So let's go ahead and do that and let's see what Knott has to offer for some food. Let's do it. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for all your roller coaster content, and come with us on our adventures to amusement parks. We have so much in store for you guys. So if you want to follow us on our adventures, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to comment and give us our feedback and see what you'll like to see next. Alright guys, this is my lunch today. Some chicken fettuccine pasta panini stuff. It's pretty good actually. Me and Stacey always get this when we come. I get this, she gets the pizza, and we share it, and it's so good. And you can get this with the dining plan too, the seasoning dining plan. You can get this. So you just don't get a breadstick with it, but other than that, I love it. It's good. Try it out when you're on Knott's Berry Farm. Alright guys, this is like extra good today. I just have to say that. It's super fresh, super good. I love it. I mean, I don't know if you guys have had this before, but super good. It's over at that little place by the boardwalk, the pizza and pasta place. It's like right by the Fairy Tales. Yeah, next time you go to Knott's, for sure, try the pasta. It's bomb. I promise. Okay guys, so we're here at a number 6 coaster. Just got here after lunch. Lunch was amazing, great. But yeah, so number 6 is GhostRider. This is a Mack ride. It's opened up in 2013. I like this ride. I know a lot of you are going to be like, oh, you have that over Pony Express and Jaguar. Yeah, I do. To me, ride is better than both those rides. Yes, it can be painful sometimes, but I love this ride. It's so much fun. I enjoy myself on it. So let's take a ride. Let's do it. Got off GhostRider, and it was fun. I like it. No trims today, so it always makes it so much fun when there's no trims. So let's head over to our number 5. Let's see what that is. Alright guys, made it over here to our number 5 coaster, and that is Sierra Sidewinder. I love Sierra Sidewinder, especially if you get it unbalanced and you're just spinning like crazy. It's so much fun. I love that ride. So this one is a Mack ride. Love it. Always have amazing time on it. So let's hop on and see how it's riding. Let's do it. Alright guys, just got off little Sierra. So much fun, amazing little ride. I was spinning like crazy. I always enjoy myself on it. Me and Stacy love it. Like I said, especially if you get it unbalanced, always fun, always a great time. So now we're gonna head over to our number 4. Let's see which one it is. Let's do it. Alright guys, we made it over to our number 4 coaster, and that is Hang Time. This one is made by Gershwauer and opened up in 2018. This ride has actually dropped down in my ranking, just because there's a few coasters that just running so much better than it. But nonetheless, I still love it, so let's take a ride on it.
I got 2 guys! For show? For show? No, I really want to fly. Alright. Hey, Quinn, can I get a free pie? Oh, I like that! Wait, what? I can tell you're a cute guy. Oh, gee whiz!
Just got off the Hang Time. I love Hang Time. It was a little bit rattly today, but still one of my favorite rides here. It's fun, you know, even when it does have that little rattle. I still enjoy myself. So I'm gonna head over to our number 3 now. So I don't know what it's gonna be. So let's find out. Alright guys, we're here on the number 3 coaster, and that is Silver Bullet. That's a B&M inverted coaster. Love this coaster. And I always have a good time on it. So let's see how it's running today. Let's do it. free coaster, Silver Bullet. I love Silver Bullet so much. It has dropped down my ranking a little bit. You know what? It's okay. It's still fun. I still have a great time on it. It just hasn't been running as great as it usually does, but nonetheless, I still love it, and it always have a little special place in my heart, little Silver Bullet. So let's check out what number 2 is. Okay, guys, we're here on a number 2 coaster, and that's Xcelerator. This one's made by Intamin and opened up in 2002. I love this ride. This ride has just launched up my ranking since they reopened. It's just riding so great, and they got the old school trains running. I love it. One of my favorites here, 1,000,000%. Obviously, it's number 2. So let's take a ride. Let's do it. Okay, guys, we just got off our number 2, Xcelerator. So that only leaves one coaster. Do you remember which one it was? Do you remember all the coasters I've got on so far? I mean, I think it's obvious which coaster it is. But let's find out. Let's do it. All right, guys, we finally made it to number 1. And if you didn't guess already, and that is GhostRider, made by GCI, opened up in 1998. This ride is amazing. I think this is literally like in my top 5 rides, roller coasters that I've ridden, and I think I have 50 credits so far. Not that much, but my credits are starting to go up. We're going to be going up north. We have a trip planned, you know, up to Texas, so it's going to go up. But I think this ride is nonetheless always going to stay within my top 10 at least, because this has a special place in my heart. I love GhostRider. It's one of a kind. I mean, it's one of the, from what I heard, you know, I've only ridden a few wooden coasters, but this is one of the best wooden roller coasters, you know, in our country. But let's take a ride on it and see how it's riding today. Let's do it. Guys, I just got off GhostRider and it was running amazing. I love GhostRider. It was running actually really smooth today, super fast. Got a front row, which is always amazing. But you know, guys, I really enjoy, you know, putting these videos out for you guys. Even though I just got a few followers right now, I still enjoy doing it, and I still want to go ahead and, you know, get our story out and let, you know, recovering addicts, you know, somebody who's still suffering in their addiction, know that there is help out there and that you could get better. And then for those of you on recovery, I like I always say, you know, if you're struggling and you're trying to find, you know, like an outlet, find something, you know, to keep your mind off. You know, I know how it is to you know, be in early recovery, and it's hard, it's rough, and you're sitting there, you're bored, you don't know what to do. You know, find an outlet, man. Find an outlet, because that's what my issue that I was having. You know, I was always bored because in addiction you're always on the go. You know, go. And I needed to find something to give me that rush, to give me that same rush in addiction, and I found it here in roller coasters. I mean, you know, that might not be your thing, but you can find it in other ways. You know, going to the gym, hiking, you know, knitting, anything that, you know, that makes you happy, do it. You know, and I found it here in, you know, riding roller coasters and amusement parks. And, you know, me and Stacy just love it. This is what we do. This is how we have fun. This is how we release stress, anxieties, everything, you know, and this is what we ride, you know, we ride. And I love it. She loves it. We just have an amazing time doing it. And our main goal is just to get our story out there and let you guys know that recovery is possible. And, you know, just take that first step. Trust me, life is way better in recovery. I promise. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. It's still hard some days, but it's worth it. I promise. And, you know, as always, guys, it's the thrills without the pills. Thanks for watching.